I set up my LLC through DAG. Post price appreciation, when we start collecting a yield, how can I pay off my debt, house, etc. through the business without commingling funds? So in your operating agreement, you would be taking distributions out of the business. You will have to pay yourself a reasonable salary. In the eyes of the IRS, a reasonable salary for your LLC to manage it, somewhere between $50,000 and $70,000 a year. You will have to pay W-2 taxes on that. So Social Security, Medicare, Medicaid, the other 13.5% on the tax rate, you will have to pay on the first, call it $50,000 to $70,000. Anything beyond that, you'd be able to take out as a distribution from the LLC. And again, these are pass-through taxation, so you're going to be taxed at whatever rate. So, you're going to want to spend some money inside the LLC on things that have accelerated depreciation to be able to offset that additional income. So, travel to conferences that have to do with what you're doing, travel to meet other business partners to have conversations, educational information like magazines or subscriptions, things that you might be using to educate yourself on investments. All of those things are write-offs. You can also use the Augusta rule. You can rent your home to you and your business up to 14 times a year for the going rate of whatever an Airbnb is in your area. And there's a lot of different things you can do with your CPA or your tax professional if they're proficient with the tax code to be able to offset that income. Make sure that you're still taking enough out to be able to cover debts and do other things like you want to do without triggering any of the things that would pierce the corporate veil and commingling your funds. So again, you're going to want to find a good accountant. We have those